Good morning, everyone, and welcome to November 17th. Today we will be talking about operations and rounding. Operations are one of the major things that we want to master in mathematics, and there are four of them, and you're going to look at all of those today. In case you missed the morning meeting, or in case you would like our schedule read out loud, I will do so here. So I would go into content, come to operations and rounding for today, and then today I have organized everything in a single Google document. During the day, I will record videos as people ask me questions, and I will answer people's questions in videos and complete the answers here for other people that might want to refer to those. So stay tuned to this. This will grow during the day. So let's go into our schedule. I'm going to make it big by clicking this button, and then I'm going to make it big again so that I can read it with these buttons. I'll choose 150. Today our learning goal is to use the four basic operations and know when to use each one. Also, we are going to look at rounding numbers today, which is a very important tool that we can use for estimation, and we also need it to do things like round to the nearest dollar or round to the nearest cent. So it's a very common thing that we'll be doing. The link for the morning meeting is here. It's also on the front page of the classroom. And today in the morning meeting, we will take attendance. I would also like to know where everyone is so we can chat a little bit about ourselves, either in the chat or through voice. And find me in the morning meeting during the day. You can just come here. If I'm not there, that means that I am either recording a video and I will return shortly, or I might be on break or lunch. But the schedule should indicate when I'm doing that. The first thing that you can complete today is watching this video, what is arithmetic, and then I have a quiz that goes along with the video. So that is something that you can work away at independently, and I will be available if you have questions. Following that, take your break, and then we'll be working on our multiplication tables. If I go into this video here has many awesome tricks about how to memorize this, and that's something that everyone can review regularly. Then the activity is to fill in the blanks of this table. I will be definitely completing a video on this topic shortly after our morning meeting, and I would watch that video to see how I do an activity like this, how I make it more interesting, how I make it fun, and how I can learn effectively from that type of activity. Following that, we'll have lunch for an hour, 10:15 to 11:15, and then you can join me for a workout, 11:15 to 11:30. We're going to skip count by ones, twos, threes, and fives as we do some different exercises, and we can get a little bit of math practice and get our energy up for the next part of our day. Rounding, you can watch a video here and then complete this quiz. You can also follow along with this video on paper. That's an important skill when you're watching YouTube videos, is write down the things that they're doing and take notes. When the information goes in your eyes, in your ears, and then the information has to go into your brain and then go all the way down your arm and into the pen, that's learning. So yeah, follow along on paper, then complete that quiz. There's also a video here that will talk about why we round and help you answer the last question of the quiz. Then there will be a break, and I am still putting together a final assignment for today on operations. So you will have that shortly. By the end of the day, you should know how to use the four basic operations and when to use each one, and why we are rounding numbers up and down, and how to do that. All right, everyone. I look forward to seeing everyone shortly. And yeah, and that will be our day for today. Bye for now.